Ever wondered how supercars shoot flames out of their exhausts? It's not just for show. It's a fascinating result of high-performance engines and advanced technology. When you push a high-performance car to its limits, unburnt fuel can enter the exhaust system. In supercars with aggressive engine mappings and rich fuel mixtures, this excess fuel ignites in the hot exhaust pipes. The key ingredients? A finely tuned engine, high RPMs, and a rich air-fuel mixture. As the throttle is lifted, excess fuel enters the exhaust system. When it meets the superheated environment, it ignites, creating those mesmerizing flames. But don't worry, it's not dangerous. Supercar manufacturers designed their exhaust systems to handle these fiery displays safely.